Hi, I'm Kelly. Hi, I'm Kelly. Hi, I'm Kelly from Kelly. Welcome to my YouTube videos where I'll be sharing free video tutorials and interesting wire wrapping techniques. So hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if there's any techniques you would like me to cover. And thanks everybody, I'll see you there. Hi, I'm Kelly from Jewellery. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these crazy looking earrings. So I'll put a list in the description below of everything you'll need, and I think that's everything. I'm going to jump straight in with this one. Let's get started. So this is 1.2mm wire, which I usually use as a frame wire, and I've cut 10 inches. So grip the wire centrally with your bail pliers. I'm using the second size from the smallest. I'm going to pull one side of the wire up like this. At this point here, I'm going to bend the wire back. I'm going to gently squeeze that wire until it's completely flat. So now I'm going to take the bigger size. How am I going to do this? So I'm going to take the wire to the back, just so I can get my bail pliers in there. This is going to be interesting. I'm going to go around the bigger size. I'm going to grip that wire. Bear with me, this is going to work. I'm going to bend it back over itself. I'm going to squeeze that wire. Just shape that a little bit. So because these are earrings, I'm now going to make another one the same. So now I'm going to bend this one around, and I think I'm just going to use my thumb to shape the wire rather than keep using the bail pliers, which was my original plan. Do you fancy trying a frame pendant that's beginner friendly and easy to follow? This straightforward step-by-step tutorial is my latest tutorial in my Etsy shop. So it's a written tutorial, so there's loads and loads of pages and pictures for you to follow along at your own pace. So go and check it out, and I'll see you there. So now I've got two the same. I'm going to bend this one back up now. I think when we're doing earrings, it's important to do them both together, because sometimes it just completely ends up looking different to what you planned it would be. So we'll bend this one over now. This crazy shape going on. Something a bit different for you this week. And again, I'm going to bend that too, twist it that way. I'll do one more with this one. So bend this one up. I'll try and hold it there. Do it a bit tighter. And I won't go across as much. I'll do it about there. So we're definitely getting smaller at the top. Good workout for your fingers this week. These tougher wires. Oh, so squeeze it and then twist it. Sometimes the wire just does it for you. So I'm just going to catch up with this one so it looks the same. So I've got two the same. So the next bit will finish off for the top. So you want to bring this wire around, but it has to finish there. So it has to come around quite tight. And come along next to this one. Or above it. It looks like it's going to go above it. And then where's my pliers gone? We'll bring them both around. At the same time. And I'm going to finish those at the top there. So I'm just going to do the other one so that they're the same. So I'll grab some weaving wire. This is 0.315mm 28 gauge. You can use anything you want with these, absolutely anything you want. So I'm going to tie these wires together. So I'll go onto the top wire first. Wrap a few times to attach, slide it down, and we're going to tie those two wires together. So I'm going to go around the two. They really don't want to sit next to each other. But I'm going to wrap it around those two wires. These big wires are being quite stubborn, so I've gone around quite a few times. And then I'm going to go just around that front wire to finish off that. So that's tied on nice and tightly, holding them together. And then I'm going to cut the weaving wire at both ends and press them down. I'm going to cut both wires. And I'm going to bend them around to make a little loop on the top. So I've done the same to the other one, and I really pulled those last two wires up on top, so we got a little curl on the top there. So I've made these cute little jump rings using half round wire. I thought it gave a bit of a different look to them. I thought they look quite nice. So I've made a few jump rings. I've got 5mm and 10mm outside measurements. I just made them wrapping the half round wire around my bail pliers, and this is 1.5mm half round wire, so that'd be like 14 gauge I think. So I've added some here, so I've added a smaller one to the top and then a larger one to an ear wire, and then at the bottom I've added a few as well. I've added 2 of the 5mm ones to a 10mm one at the bottom. I think it looks quite cute. And then if you want to have the other one facing the other way, so they're reversed, just turn it around when you add your ear wire to the top. And there we have them. Something a bit different for you this week. I'm going to pop and oxidise mine, and then I shall come and show you what they look like when they're done. So there we have it. Finished. I've oxidised mine. If you'd like to oxidise yours, I did a video on oxidising and aftercare. I'll put a link in the description below. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks for watching as always. So thanks for watching another one of my videos. Please subscribe and hit the notification icon if you want to be notified of new videos that I do. Please like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. If you want to see my written tutorials, they're over on Etsy. You'll find the link below. There might even be a link on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. This is Gracie if you didn't know. See you in the next one. Bye.